What up YouTube, it's your buddy Warbeard. Oh, welcome to the show. So today I'm going to show you guys how to properly wash your bike to the best of the ability so your bike will come out to look at like that show quality without much effort. For this video and all the future videos within this little mini series I'm going to show you, I'd like to thank Detail Garage Santa Ana, my boy Tyler. Thanks bro for hooking me up with all these products that I'm going to be using on my 2021 Indian Springfield Dark Horse. And on my bike I got the smoke white paint. So what that means is that it is a matte based paint. So it's a slightly different wash technique than what you would do with normal bikes or normal paint job, but it has the same base to it. So I'm going to carry on and show you how to do this, and hope you guys enjoy this how-to. All right, so you're going to use your matte wash in your quick foam cannon, which is going to hook up to your pressure washer. I would highly suggest to use a pressure washer. If not, you can use the Chemical Guys foam cannon. Both of them work pretty well. The foam cannon hooks right up to your hose. I have a pressure washer specifically for this kind of job. And you're going to use your quick detailer as you're drying the bike. As backwards as that sounds, using your quick detailer as you're drying is going to put on another protective coat that's going to look amazing on the bike. All right folks, you're going to want to do the 2 bucket method for this wash. And this is how it looks. My pressure washer, it's a Sunjo 1700 pressure washer. Got my 2 buckets for the rinse and wash, and 1 bucket for my tire treatments, tire and wheel and rim, which I'm going to be using the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel wheel cleaner that I got also diluted in a foam sprayer. So you're going to put your matte wash, about an ounce of the matte wash, into the foam cannon for the bike. Yeah. You're going to put about an ounce of the wheel gel itself into your bucket for the wheel cleaning. Make sure to use your handy dandy filter grates into the buckets, just to prevent all that dirt from coming back up and getting back on your bike. That's the last thing that you want, is to scratch up your beautiful bike there. You don't want to you don't want to mess up a real good job. All right, I'm just going to get right to the wash here. I will leave links or cards up in the video there to the Chemical Guys website, to their videos showing you how to set up your buckets and get everything all set up to go. That you're going to do, folks, is you're going to pre-wash your motorcycle with the pressure washer. You want to use your widest tip setting for it, and you're just going to go over at a good distance away from the motorcycle. You want to get it damp, just enough to knock off all the previous dirt and everything, the dirt, the grime, the bugs, and all that good stuff. You want to knock it all off first. Next thing that you want to do is you want to attach your foam cannon. I got the big mouth Chemical Guys foam cannon to your pressure washer. Make sure once you get the chemical in there, you give it a good little swoosh around. That's about right. I got 2 ounces in mine because I like a lot of foam in mine. I think it works side to side.
it sound right, boys.
Generally, you want to do your tires first. I'm kind of doing it backwards. Whoops. It's gonna get done though, regardless. Alright, and the next thing that you want to do is you want to grab your soapy bucket with your microfiber wash mitt. You want to work every part in like straight lines left to right. You don't want to do swirls, and you want to use just enough pressure to take off all the dirt. If you use too much pressure with your matte finish, it's going to go glossy. It's not what you want. Keep it matte. And after that, you want to hose it back off, but you want to keep your pressure washer at a good distance away from it, because even though the motorcycles are technically waterproof, you don't want to be messing up any kind of electronics. You want to be messing anything else up on it, so you keep it a good distance and you'll be fine. To get it all dried up, I'm gonna be using the Chemical Guys Mammoth drying towel. It's gonna be a really big gray towel. I love that thing. Use that for all my vehicles. So after I dry her up all good and make her look pretty with the quick detailer, I'm gonna show you guys in the next video how to use the Jet Seal mat. Now the Jet Seal mat, especially for gloss paints, the Jet Seal chemical from Chemical Guys, it's pretty simple to use. But for the mat, and especially for motorcycles, it is very, very fickle, I guess you could say. It requires a special touch to it. I'll show you guys on the next video how to do that. So till then, enjoy me drying up the bike, making it look all pretty and show quality from here on out, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Like, comment, and subscribe. So till next time, y'all ride safe and get out there and have epic adventures. Peace. Guys have stuck around for this long. Thank you guys. I appreciate everybody. And one final tip I'm going to leave you, but just for those who stuck around this whole time for the video, is on a motorcycle, it's not like a car. There's all kinds of nooks and crannies for water to sit in. Take your motorcycle, tip it the other way to the right. Make sure you have all of your balance. So you can hop on, you tip it all the way to the right, and you'll let all that drain out, almost like you're in a full curve. And you gotta let it all drain, and then you gotta put it back. And at that point, that's when you gotta give it's like very final wipe down. Watch. Okay, take the bike, tip it all the way right, as far as you can comfortably tip it. If you have it in neutral, make sure you hold that front brake. As you can see already on the bars, I don't know if you can tell, there's already water dripping out in nooks and crannies. And that's your bonus tip of the day.